What is this colorful bird? Is this a purple gallinule? No, this bird is not native to the US. It's a gray-headed swamphen, often found in the Middle East, Indian subcontinent and Thailand. A large chicken-sized water bird, bright bluish purple colored with red legs, feet and long toes. When the tail is flicked up, it reveals a patch of white feathers in its underpants. Grey-headed swamphens live in marshes and freshwater wetlands. These were introduced into Florida in the 1990s and have grown to be an invasive species. Grey-headed swamphen live in small groups and feed on floating vegetation in shallow marshlands. Invasive or not, let's enjoy the beauty of nature. Bye.